Hello, so welcome back to my channel Control Crafting. Today we are going to play a little output game that is a very valid question in your interview sessions. So of course I am going to cover it and let's get into it what it's all about. So the question is that only by changing the position of a string in an output can change the whole output. The whole statement is same, integers value are same, the string is same, but only by changing the order these two outputs are going to be very different, and the logic behind them is a valid question to be asked in an interview. So let me just run this one first and I'll explain. So okay, there is nothing, this come to the debugger point. So 80 control crafting is the output. Why 80 control crafting is the output? Because 30 plus 50 is equal to 80 and plus will help to concatenate 80 to control crafting. Okay, so and this will be the output. 80 control crafting is the output. What about the next statement? Control crafting plus 30 plus 50. Most of you might get in the first place when they see this question is that okay, my first logic was 30 plus 50 is equal to 80, that is all integer, and then 80 is concatenated to control crafting. So following that idea, the next output should be control crafting plus 80, which is 30 plus 50. But I want to explain here that this is a wrong answer. The answer will be control crafting 30 50. Why it is here? Because control crafting is a string, and then anything defined after string, suppose integer or anything, this will act as string, and the plus will help to only concatenate the rest of the things to the string defined before. So only by changing the order of the string in the output stream, in the output, parenthesis, changes the whole output. So 30 plus 50 here are integers, and this is first added, then control crafting is added. But here control crafting is the string, and 30 and 50 acts as a string which gets concatenated to control crafting. Hence the output is control crafting 30 50. Now let's change something here. Into, let's select into, let's see what happens. It's got terminated, debugger on. So as you can see here, it's a simple logic as the previous one. 30 into 50 is equal to 1500 plus control crafting is concatenated. So 1500 control crafting is the output. Now what's the output of this one? Will it be control crafting 30 50? What will be the output? So the output is control crafting 1500. Why here multiplication happened first? The output could be control crafting 30 and then 50, because 30 would be concatenated and 50 will be left as it is, or into 50 because everything after is a plus a string. No, let me explain you why we have when we have plus here, it gets outputted as 30 50, and when we have multiplication here, it gets outputted as 1500. The precedence order of multiplication is higher than addition. So what we say that whenever there is a multiplication and addition, we choose multiplication over addition. Like first multiplication will take place and then whatever is being added will be added. So first of all, 30 into 50 is equal to 1500. This will take place, and then we will add control crafting, we will add 1500 to control crafting. So that's the whole scenario. The precedence order also takes place here. Now let me just change something. Suppose I have 30 plus 50 plus plus. As you can see, without plus there is a error, syntax error, because I can't define it like that. So let's see. 30 plus 50 plus control crafting. Okay, we run it. 80 control crafting 1500. How? Before there is an integer. Okay, so these acts as an integer. After string, this acts like this, will be concatenated here. But since there is a multiplication, it is, oh, like high, it is of higher precedence over addition. Therefore 30 into 50 will be multiplied first of all. The 30 and 50 will be multiplied, then we will see the addition. And 30 plus 50, 80 will be there, then all will be concatenated together. Okay, and what else we can do here to explain it a bit better? Hmm. If suppose like plus, you have already have guessed the answer, like 80 control crafting 30 50, this will be the output. 80 control crafting 30 50, and multiplications done, minus if we say, oh, sorry, that's the case. Why minus is like a error here? Because after this is all a string after control crafting, so we cannot concatenate two string based on minus. But here 50 and 30 acts as an integer, therefore it is valid. So let's run it. Minus 20 control crafting 30 50. So you understand the difference between uh, the strings and integers and the way they have been placed in the output string. So I hope this video helps. This is a very valid question to be asked in an interview. I hope you learned something new from this video, and thank you for watching. That's it for today. So bye bye.